Hello everyone friends, on the Heil Weller. Today I will show you how, accordingly, to enter a family group on Steam. Here I am on Steam. Click here, click on account details and click on manage family. That's it. And when we click on the entrance to the family, we will see that we have it written here that we must be invited by the owner of the family. To do this, the owner of the family group needs to go to Settings, go to Family, Family Management respectively, and invite him. That's why you need to add a friend. Click Add Friends, click Friends here. That's it. Click Add Friend. Copy the code. Coming back to Steam. Accordingly, I add a friend on this account and accept. Here, I'm coming back here. I return to the family group. So, accordingly, I click Add User, find in the search. That's it. And accordingly, we ask as a child or as an adult. Click Invite and accept on the account. That's all. Weller was with you. Subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.